Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the product service. In this video, we're exploring VTC.net. VTC offers a diverse range of online training courses covering a wide spectrum of subjects, from software development and IT certifications to creative skills like photography and graphic design. Their website is designed to be user-friendly, allowing you to easily navigate through their extensive catalog of offerings. You can search for specific skills you're interested in developing or browse their categorized list of courses. Each course listing typically provides a detailed overview of the curriculum, the instructor's credentials, and the software or tools covered. Many courses also include previews or introductory videos, allowing you to get a taste of the learning experience before committing to a purchase. VTC offers various subscription options, providing access to their vast library of training materials, which can be a cost-effective way to learn multiple skills. The platform also offers individual course purchases for those focused on a specific learning objective. While the quality of the training can vary depending on the specific course and instructor, VTC generally provides a comprehensive and accessible platform for online learning. They often update their course offerings to stay current with evolving technologies and industry trends. Whether you're a seasoned professional looking to upgrade your skills or a beginner just starting out, VTC.net has something to offer. Be sure to check the course descriptions and reviews to find the perfect fit for your learning needs and goals. Remember to utilize the search functionality to narrow down your options and pinpoint the specific skills you're seeking to acquire or enhance. VTC provides a valuable resource for anyone looking to invest in their personal and professional development through online education. They often offer discounts and promotions, so it's worth keeping an eye out for those opportunities to maximize the value of your learning investment. Overall, VTC.net presents a valuable platform for expanding your knowledge and skill set in a convenient and flexible online environment. With their extensive catalog and varied learning paths, you're sure to find something to help you achieve your educational and career aspirations. So, check out VTC.net and see what they have to offer. You might be surprised at the breadth and depth of their online training resources.